Any mention?
May it please, Your Lordship. There's a very urgent matter, Your Lordship, due to the removal of the petition from the post office.
Has it been filed?
Already filed yesterday. Even copies have been served. Obliged.
You tried to mention yesterday before the court rose.
Yes.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg
Yes.
item number 8. Item number 8.
Yes, what about it?
Your Lordship, we kindly adjourn this matter after 2 weeks.
Number 8,
For the petitioner, Your Lordship.
after vacation.
Adjourn this matter after 2 weeks.
You for the petitioner, yes.
I'm for respondent 1, Lordship. I have no objection.
Okay, 2 weeks is.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention
Yes.
item number 9, Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Due to personal difficulties.
You informed the other side?
Yes, Lordship, I have informed the
You
other
informed
side.
all of them?
Yes, Lordship.
No objection?
I am agreeing for referral number 1, 2 and 3.
2 weeks, okay. Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. The conducting counsel is not keeping well.
Oh, Mr. Jindal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Objection.
You have to file affidavit. Who has filed affidavit? You haven't filed. You have filed.
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit, Lordship.
On behalf of the.
Of the corporation, Lordship.
You filed.
Lordship.
Okay, after?
After 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, if may I have it after 3 weeks, Lordship? I'll be under some difficulty, Lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks. Good way to start the year. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg
6
to
and
mention.
7.
No, item number 5. I'm praying for a week time, Your Lordship.
Who's other side? No objection. Other respondents?
Other respondents are also there, Your Lordship. We have no objection, Your Lordship.
Okay, after 1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
That's it. Satu na after 22 in Bancholi. 22 in Bancholi. 22.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
Given me, please, Your Lordship. There's been a gross violation of the fundamental rights of the petitioner in this instance case wherein the inaction of the state respondents has led to the petitioner being locked out of his house. The petitioner herein is a permanent
Locked
resident.
out from his house?
Locked out. The entrance gate to his house has been locked by the respondents herein. That is
He's
respondent
locked
for
inside, he's locked outside.
outside, Your Lordship. He cannot enter his residence, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yeah. In this instant petition, Your Lordship, the petitioner is a permanent resident in the address mentioned, that is in Nongrim, and he occupies one building, that is the RCC building, and in the same premises there's also an Assam type house wherein the respondent number 4 has been residing as well. The building with the petitioner has been residing is a building which has been transferred by way of a registered gift deed dated 28/05/2012 to the daughter of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Thereafter,
Daughter of this
of the petitioner, that is the granddaughter of respondent number 4.
Okay, oh, it's a family thing.
It's a family
So you
dispute.
said the state response have locked them out.
Your Lordship
Now,
is the private
number 4 is,
respondent. It's the
the
mother-in-law of the petitioner.
Okay,
And respondent number 5 is the brother-in-law of the petitioner.
okay. Yes, continue.
And Your Lordship, in the year 2022, to the surprise of the petitioner's daughter, the respondent number 4 had filed a suit cancelling the gift deed that was already registered due to some personal disputes that were happening within the family. The suit is in Annexure 1, Your Lordship, page number 14. The respondents herein had prayed for an injunction for the suit property to not be sold and also to not collect any tenancy rent from the and the same was granted by the Honorable Subordinate District Council Court, Your Lordship. Thereafter, in compliance with this order, the parties were staying and peacefully complying with the order. However, in 6 March 2024, commotion had started and the respondent number 5 herein, which is the brother-in-law, had threatened the petitioner and his wife with dire consequences if they wouldn't leave the premises. And the same was reported via DIR, which is at page 35, Your Lordship, which is Annexure 2. Thereafter, the police had come into the premises and the peace was maintained. Everything was sorted between the parties. In Annexure 3, Your Lordship, if you can see, the petitioner's wife then requested Respondent 3 for conversion of the DIR into the FIR case. Thereafter, the same was forwarded. The conversion of the DIR into FIR was by the wife of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Thereafter, the same was forwarded to Respondent number 2, and an order was passed on 19 November 2024, disposing the proceeding and directing the parties to maintain peace by execution of a bond of rupees 10,000. The order is in page 40, Your Lordship, which is Annexure 4. And the same was executed. Thereafter, subsequent to this order being passed by Respondent number 2, the Respondent number 4 and 5 attempted to erect a gate and undertake construction activities in the landed property, which is in violation of the order 5th September 2022, which was passed by the subordinate district council court. Thereafter, the petitioner herein had filed an injunction application before the said court, being Miss Case number 167/24, for injunction to stop such constructions that were carried out by Respondent 4 and 5. The same relief was granted to the petitioner by order 01/10/2024, which is at page 43, which is Annexure 5A.
So you mean to say that there is order status quo ought to be maintained and
Your Lordship, that construction should be stopped. Stopped any constructions that was carried out in the said property.
So now they've locked you out, that's it?
Yes.
How did lock you out? You were staying there?
No, actually, Lordship, after that, the petitioner and his wife had gone to Calcutta. They had proceeded there for some personal work. And on returning back to Shillong on the 24th of December 24, it was found that the gate was locked by Respondent number 5.
But then
The pictures are there.
The thing is that, see, the suit's pending, you already filed. Weren't you going to civil court?
Your Lordship, in this case, the bond was already executed and it's still in operation for 6 months. This is in clear violation of that bond.
Lordship will have to seek instructions, because under what circumstances this is a family dispute, Your Lordship. The gift, apparently a gift was given and then she has sought cancellation. What were the terms and conditions of the gift? We do not know because it is not attached here.
The gift is, that is a subject matter of the suit.
Yes,
what
Your
has happened
Lordship.
subsequently to that is that if the order was passed, or status quo order was passed also, then how could people go and lock? And
Actually, these petitioners are not residents of Shillong, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship,
They are in Calcutta most of the time.
2013, but this is their family home, Your Lordship.
Calcutta, Your
Shillong,
Lordship.
They've been living here, Lordship.
Apparently, it seems the petitioner and his wife are in Calcutta, and the lady to whom the gift was given is in Canada. So this is a family dispute, Your Lordship. We have
that
to
we
go.
settled by evidence.
Yes.
But Your Lordship,
But
here
in the
we're on the
meantime, Your
breach of the
Lordship-
bond that was already executed between the parties.
And she,
They have not maintained that.
We take instructions from the.
we'll seek instructions.
OC as,
Respondent number 2 is to be issued a notice also because it's by name.
Your Lordship, if I may, if an
Yes.
interim relief may be granted, that the state agencies may assist
So let them come back day after tomorrow instructions. Then we'll see after that.
At least a week's time may be given, Your Lordship.
But he's locked out, Your Lordship. Right now, he's residing in hotels. There are bills as well in Annexure 9 showing that all his food and lodging, ever since he's been locked out of his house, he's been staying there. And he's a 65-year-old man.
Counsel for the petitioner issue notice MST Young AG with so-and-so with 13 on country.
We are for 1 and 3 only, Your Lordship.
And 3. Why are you making this? Is it
She's by
magistrate
name. The executive magistrate.
Your
Your Lordship, because she was the one who had ordered for the bond to be signed
Whatever
between
the
the
way you made
parties.
by name. You strike off the name is.
Your Lordship,
Take notice for 1, 2, and 3.
Your Lordship will make the correction.
4 and 5 within 1 day. Stop next paragraph. Then counsel petitioner submits that the petitioner has approached his court by various application in view of the illegal actions which have been perpetuated by the respondents, and that the official respondents, in spite of information and in spite of existence of court orders, have not taken any action to prevent the same. Stop. MST Yangi to obtain instructions. This matter be after tomorrow.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Take steps. Steps will be taken by personal service also if necessary.
Highly
Item number
obliged, Your
2.
Lordship.
Steps will be taken by personal service also if necessary. Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I am the president of an association, Your Lordship, under the name and style of the All Garu Hills Archery Association, which is based in West Garu Hills, Tura. Now, Your Lordship, the main purpose of this organization is basically to bring together the all archery counter operator so as to promote the general welfare and to take part in various activities so as to promote the sport. Now, Your Lordship.
Sport or tier counter?
No, Your Lordship, the archery sport
Gambling
itself.
is a sport also, huh?
Your Lordship.
It is.
No, Your Lordship, I cannot answer. But Your Lordship, so far from what I've been told, Your Lordship, the main objective of my association is basically, Your Lordship, we are trying to promote the sport of archery. Archery sport. Now, Your Lordship, my association had been initially registered in the year 2017. Your Lordship, if you, that is at Annexure 1, Your Lordship, page 12. This is the certificate of registration. Now, Your Lordship, as per the Meghalaya Societies Registration Act, it is mandatory that I renew my certificate of registration after every 3 years. Now, Your Lordship, initially I had to renew my certificate in the year 2021. There were no issues then. Now, Your Lordship, the issue lies that in the year 2023, we were supposed to renew our certificate of registration again, but what had happened, Your Lordship, was that we had to follow the various procedures were there, and one of them was that we were subject to standard verification by the police. Now, Your Lordship, after verification from the police, it was found that I, the president, Your Lordship, had basically, Your Lordship, I had
Criminal
been.
record.
Yes, Your Lordship, this has been brought on record. I have a case registered against me. Now, Your Lordship, this is Tura PS case number.
Okay, that doesn't matter. Then what happened after that?
Now, Your Lordship, what happened was, basically, Your Lordship, after the police has submitted the verification report to the office of the respondent number 3, which is the office of the joint registrar, they had rejected my application on the basis that I have a case registered against me. Now, Your Lordship, this rejection is at Annexure 5. Which is page number 40.
Page 14. Page?
Annexure 5.
Page?
Your Lordship, sorry, page number 36. Now, Your Lordship, since the type copy is at the next page, which is page number 37. If I may read, Your Lordship.
Okay. Before this code, before 105. 36, yes, okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. If I may read, Your Lordship. Remarks, Your Lordship, as per police verification report, a case registered against one of the members of the said association has been found. Therefore, application has been rejected. Now, Your Lordship,
Where is this rejected?
rejected there, Your Lordship, on the side, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Remarks. If I may read again, Your Lordship.
No, I've seen it. Yes.
Okay, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, then being aggrieved by the matter, Your Lordship, I had initially come here to the High Court, Your Lordship, seeking relief, Your Lordship, and a little bit of and direction, Your Lordship, basically, Your Lordship, for registering for renewal of the certificate of registration. Now, Your Lordship, that was initially the matter was registered as WPC number 48 of 2024 at paragraph 8 of the writ petition, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, what had happened was during the pendency of the matter, Your Lordship, it was brought to light that there were no active members of the association at that time, that the board had been dissolved. Now, Your Lordship, the matter was disposed of with directions from this court that there should be fresh elections to be conducted so that an active board of members can be constituted. Now, Your Lordship, the order, Your Lordship, is annexed at Annexure 6.
Does order Annexure 6 only for withdrawal?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I had to go through the YouTube live, Your Lordship, to find out. But this was basically just the...
Now where's the impugn order?
There is no impugn order, Your Lordship, because at that time, Your Lordship, we had just withdrawn. Because, Your Lordship, it was brought to light that there was no active board of members.
This rejection was when?
Rejection was in the year 2023, Your Lordship.
Then how? Then you
Your Lordship,
applied again?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then where's the rejection, fresh rejection?
No, Your Lordship, we have not received, Your Lordship. I will be getting there, Your Lordship, after we have constituted an active board of members.
Whatever it is now, why are you using the court now to push your application?
Your Lordship, because, Your Lordship, it's been pending for a very long time, Your Lordship. And
let them take action on that. Is it a question of, that you've been rejected? Have they not said anything right now?
No, Your Lordship,
Where's
we have
the
not
application
received
for registration?
intimation. Your Lordship,
where is it? Where's the application for the fresh registration? Where is it?
I do not have it, Your Lordship.
Then you withdraw this application, Ms. Maureen. Come with a more composite one. You've not been rejected, the application is not here, then it's premature. Sorry. Heard MS. Anything to say, Mr.
Lordship, the earlier application was rejected. There is no fresh application.
You have not filed
Your
fresh
Lordship, we have filed for a fresh application, Your
Where's
Lordship.
the application?
Your Lordship, just that acknowledgement slip, Your Lordship, I have not been able to annex it because I have not
Where's the
received
copy
it.
of the fresh application?
Your Lordship, it is an
the reason
online...
that you keep a copy with you,
Your
an office
Lordship,
copy?
Your Lordship, that application is made online, Your Lordship. I have
Whatever it is.
misplaced it, Your Lordship.
Where have you written that you made an application when?
Your Lordship,
And that they've rejected it.
they have not rejected it yet, Your
Then-
Lordship. It's still pending before the office, Your
MS,
Lordship.
Dear Maureen and the council petitioner. Stop, Mr. Karmi is present except notice on behalf of the respondent. Stop.
All the respondents.
Yes. Next part, the grievance as the case of the writ petitioner is that on an earlier occasion, where's your synopsis? The case with petition is that heard MS the writ petitioner is before this court with a prayer for issuance of directions to respondents number 3 and 4 to expedite the process of renewing the certificate of registration of the petition of the association. Submitted by that council that the application has been preferred in view of the fact that in an earlier occasion when the association when the renewal was sought, the same was rejected in view of the fact that the president had a case registered against him. Stop. it is it is submitted. It is further submitted that the matter is submitted now as the body has been reconstituted with fresh members. It is incumbent upon Respondent 3 and 4 to renew the registration of the association. Stop. She therefore prays for appropriate directions in this regard. Next paragraph. Stop. You have any assumptions to make? Ms. H. Karmi, learned so submits that the writ petition is premature inasmuch as there is no order of rejection on record, or and further, even a copy of the application or acknowledgement of the fresh application has not been annexed. Therefore, prays that the petition be rejected at this stage in view of the insufficiency of materials or any fresh cause of action. Stop. Having heard and consulted the parties and having examined the materials record, it is seen that there is no order of rejection, and also the factum of application, whether the same is in process, is also not available. Stop. In this next point, review the matter, this petition being clearly premature, in the absence of any tangible cause of action at this stage, the same that detained and dismissed. Yes.
Daily list, item number 1.
His Lordship, respondents are yet to file the affidavit. Matter concerning promotion, Lordship. I was due since 2020.
From what to what?
Lordship, it's actually for grant of something called senior time scale in the BSF. It's like a promotion sort of increment.
Yes, Dr. Mozika, when you
I've received paragraph. 2 weeks time I'll file.
Yes, Dr. M. Mozika, please sponsor for a 2 weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of the respondent. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Obliged.
Where's Mr. Titakar? Is corrected nomenclature?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Corrected?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Taken steps?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that? They have received also? On
Yes, Your
respondent
Lordship.
number?
It's already delivered.
For respondent number 1.
You are entering pen today. And 2?
In fact, my lord, I have an objection. The repression not only premature but defective in nature.
The?
Defective.
Defective?
Yes.
So what do you do about that?
My lord, kindly come to page.
Page?
Prayer of the petitioner, lecture 12. Page 12.
Page 12.
Yes.
Where's the prayer? In the presence also?
A, my lord, issue writ setting aside and quite impugn show cause notice dated so and so issued by respondent number 1 acting as this enquiry officer. My lord, in this case we are yet to appoint the enquiry officer.
But where's your arguing counsel? You ready with the matter?
He's not, he has some personal difficulties today.
Who's the arguing counsel?
Mr. Hungriso.
And moreover, on the cause title also, my lord, they have made the enquiry officer as the respondent number 2. We are yet to appoint him. We are yet to appoint the enquiry officer.
So, take down the cause title as regards nomenclature of respondent 1 and 2 has since been corrected. MS Hajong, our praise matter be taken up when? Or Mr. S.M. Suna has added appearance on behalf of Nekparawa and submits that the writ petition is premature inasmuch as the respondent 2 is yet
to be appointed.
As inquiry officer yet to be appointed. He prays that the matter being without any basis be dismissed at the initial stage itself. Top. Next time, MP Ajong prays that the matter be taken up tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Yeah, tomorrow we will ask the counsel to be present. Yes. Yes, the problem also. You will tell them.
Yes.
You understood what he said?
Yes, Your Lordship. Interim order will be extended.
What interim order?
Interim order is there.
Regarding?
Regarding the show cause notice.
Stay of the show cause notice.
Okay, interim order till day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow is 30th.
Item number 3.
Yes. What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, this matter pertains to non-disposal of my representation, Your Lordship, for promotion.
Why not dispose the representation?
Lordship, we'll file an affidavit, Lordship. We have received instructions, Lordship. So we are just praying for some time to file the affidavit.
Ms. M.D. Lalan is seen as an advocate. She also phase 1 about 2 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Accordingly.
Hearing item 6.
We do not even know about
6 and 7.
6 and 7, yes.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I was just informed that the conducting counsel, Mr. S.N., Your Lordship, he's indisposed, Your Lordship. If this matter can come up next week.
SN means which SN? There are 2 SN.
Sebastis, Your Lordship.
Government Council?
Yes, Your Lordship, for the state.
This is regarding MTC?
No, my lord. This regarding the recruitment to the jail warders, my lord. I was challenging where the scheduled caste candidate and the scheduled tribe candidates, they were clubbed together as in a merit list, my lord. So that is a question.
When then?
Next week, Your Lordship.
We have lots of time, we can do it. As the conducting counsel on behalf of respondents number 1 to 4.
1 to 4, yes.
He still to be indisposed. Let this matter be decided after 1 week.
1 week, my lord. Obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship. 7 is also connected to Your Lordship.
Same one, sir.
Obliged, Lordship.
Supplementary 1. Item number 1.
May it please your Lordship.
Who's the caviter, Mr. Walang?
Yes, your Lordship.
Who's the caviter?
It's being represented by N. Sinkon, your Lordship.
Where's Mr. N. Sinkon?
Even copy also has been served yesterday, your Lordship.
So he's making a tactical disappearance.
So just like to draw your kind attention, your Lordship. Annexure 3 of the impugn
Where's
order.
the district council also?
That also we have already served the copy yesterday, your Lordship.
When were you removed?
Yes, your Lordship.
When were you removed?
On the 20th, your Lordship.
Where's the order?
This is Annexure 3, your Lordship. I'd like to draw your kind attention. It's been done in a vernacular.
Where have you served? You served the caviter?
Yes, your Lordship. Yesterday only.
1 second.
All the main respondents, including the respondent also, we have already served yesterday only. Annexure 3, your Lordship. It's been done in a vernacular language, your Lordship. 20th January 2025.
Page?
Page 19, your Lordship.
Okay.
Just a mere letter, your Lordship.
1 second.
Yes.
You have a copy of the complaint?
We don't have, your Lord. We will never receive the copy also, your Lordship.
There were no proceedings? They were
No,
not even
nothing
given
as such.
any information?
No.
Just says that
We came to
there
know
was-
only because from the impugn order, nothing else, your Lordship. Because of that, we have to come immediately before this honorable court, your Lordship. It has been removed, your Lordship. It has been
So
suspended.
here's the complaint. Ajinda Wawan Wengno Ikwan Nungbri.
No, that is
Annexure
the.
4.
Yes, Your Lordship. The previous complaint in 2024 is being kept pending before the EC, Your Lordship. But now we're talking about the present one, Your Lordship.
You've been signed to Ikateng Jungki Brio.
Anyway, that is the allegation which is still pending before the EC, Your Lordship.
You've been Kalamurway Rider Bar. What to do? Where? How will you pass orders when your
My humble
opponents
submission.
are all missing?
My humble submission, Your Lordship.
Where's the factum of service of Kafka?
I'm moving this Mrs. application, Your stay application, Your Lordship.
Huh? MM last serve capital last sign. Where was saying capital?
Yesterday only we've served, Your Lordship.
I'm a Sincon.
Yes, the junior of Sincon.
You obtained you obtained the where is
Signature.
It?
Yeah, where?
Just have a look. Where is it?
Which date?
Was that Punjab?
Yes, Your Lordship. So my humble submission, Your Lordship. We've already moved. We've already made the application, stay application, Your Lordship. So my humble submission, let it be stayed, Your Lordship.
Okay, what is
till the reasonable date?
Where's the okay? You have to make out a case first. Now you say that you're not this.
There's no notice has been issued to me, Your Lordship. They simply remove me. You're not giving the opportunity of being heard, Your Lordship. Simple like that. Which is against the principles of natural justice. That's why you have to come immediately before this honorable court, Your Lordship. There's no other option.
The language was very strange.
Yes, Your Lordship. Annex 3.
Yes, take them. Where's the caveat? Seen the caveat. This is Miss Cat position number 46. 46 or 25. No.
And with your permission, Your Lordship, even the caveat I have not received also.
What caveat?
I'm talking about just a copy. They've not given to me also, Your Lordship.
Must be in the mail. Yes, anyway. So it'll go to your petitioner.
Yes. Obliged.
In the caveat petition filed by one.
Respondent 4, Your Lordship.
By one Sri, what's his name? Drosan Nongbri.
Yes.
Who has been arrayed as respondent number 4 in the main writ petition. Though it is seen that notice has been served upon the caveator, none appears on his behalf today. According to caveat, as service has been effected, the caveat stands discharged. In the main case, main WC heard Mr. S. Walang, the counsel with the petitioner. None appears on behalf of the respondents.
This is counsel.
Though it is seen that notice has been served, has also been served in the office of the respondents 1
to 3, Your Lordship.
And the respondent number 4 has also is a caveator in the present case. Mr. S. Walang has submitted the grievance of the writ petitioner is that without any semblance of any proceeding or being given an opportunity of being heard by where's the impugned order?
Annex 3, Your Lordship.
Impugned order dated
20th January
2025.
Your Lordship.
The petitioner who is holding the post of Right Nongse.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Command Soyong's Longdorship has been removed and displaced the respondent number 4 has been appointed as the acting lindo until further orders. So, it is submitted that the action of the respondents being gross violation of principle of justice. Justice interference is called for by this court at this stage itself. Of course, perused the impugn order, as also the other annexures appended to the petition. On query from the court, the Inner Council has submitted that they are not aware of any fresh complaints against the petitioner, though a prior proceeding is pending based on a complaint dated 17 to 2024.
Yes,
which is still
pending. Which is still
why
pending.
did you come when you?
My lord, my junior has received the copy of the.
Yes.
My lord.
So how now you've appointed acting lindo, correct?
My lord, I don't have much detail about the case. My lord, may kindly give us some time because I was not the counsel in this case.
The process of passing orders, Omna? And also, another examiner, yes. And a claim to court, yes. Pending, so, and which has not been concluded.
Yes, Your
Stop. He therefore stop. It is further seen that it's further seen from the records that there's been repeated prayers, repeated petitions for the removal of the writ petitioner, which is as I'm sorry, Bolivia. Such as one dated 14/5/2024, which annexed at Annex 7.
Yes, Your
Lord, as far as Caviator is concerned, my lord, he has recently been appointed as acting lindo, my lord. Right order dated.
You've taken over. No?
Already, my lord.
No, not yet.
My lord, as per this,
I have
even
with
in
me the full facts, Your Lordship.
My lord, here it says that Caviator is the acting lindo, right? Nongse, Soyong lingdoship is Khasils, and duly appointed, nominated by the office of the executive committee, Khasils Autonomous District Council, Shillong on
Okay, what
20th
happened
January.
on 31st of October 2024?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
What happened? See, Annexure 8.
Annexure 8, yes. Yeah, this is a previous complaint, Your Lordship, which is still pending before
No, it must be in the same complaint you've been suspended. What happened on this 31st October?
Whatever allegations.
There was a hearing.
Yes.
What happened?
It's still pending till now. Nobody knows about it, Your Lordship.
Nobody. You were given notice. You were present.
We've already replied. No,
21st. See, which is good. Annexure 8, page 44.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Yes. What happened then, Mr. Sulkan?
My lord, on 20th January 2025, my lord, I have been appointed.
Section 8, what happened this hearing?
That complaint has never been made by the instant complainant, Your Lordship.
No. There's a hearing. See, this is Jigujor Prasha Bahwanban. The same. There have been series of complaints against you.
Yes, Your
Whatever
Lord.
actions,
Yes.
commissions or omissions.
That's true. Yes,
right?
Your Lord. Yes, Your Lord.
There's a proceeding.
Yes.
Now, on the basis of proceeding, what happened? Now there's a hearing. 20th October. What happened? after this October.
It's been kept.
You should know what happened.
No, it's been kept on hold only, Your Lordship.
Then it was shifted to 14 November. What happened?
The same.
My lord, let
This has got no relevancy with
kindly
the.
give us some time, my lord. I'll bring all the.
There is no relevancy with the instant.
Tomorrow, you just inform this council to be present before we pass the interim orders.
My lord.
Because if the matter has been hanging fire since beginning of
No,
24,
actually,
why should you remove him now? Let the matter get concluded. And if he's removed,
Let the matter come up tomorrow, my lord.
My humble
tomorrow.
submission, Your Lordship.
Mr. Walang, come tomorrow. Please inform the district council. Because otherwise, if the hearing is going on, they've made a complaint in 2024. It's been continuing. What is the necessity to remove him now? Necessity removal would have come at the initial stage. But he's been allowed to continue. Then why removing him now?
My lord, we'll get back with all the
Yes,
details.
Score of the order. Score of the order.
We'll take advantage of this, Your Lordship. It's very important.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Let this council, let it be passed the
Yes,
plans
yes.
of this council line.
This is a fresh complaint, nothing else.
No, strange. No, score that out. See the caveat petition filed by the caveator Sri Drosan Nongbri, who has been arraigned as respondent number 4 in the amended petition. Stop.
Your
Caveat stands discharged. In the main case, Ms. Walang, the council petitioner, and Mr. Insinkon appearing for the caveator stroke respondent number 4. So as the council council is not present, as a matter of some urgency, just a matter of tomorrow, the district council lawyer to be present.
Your Lordship, just to bring on record.
Motion, yes.
Yeah.
You
The
can bring
acting.
it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I will sit
The
down.
acting is also the brother of the complainant, Your Lordship. Just imagine, Your Lordship. They have got a very ulterior motive, Your Lordship. Nothing else.
But the things that we're not going on ulterior motive, we're just
No,
going on
nothing
law.
else, yeah.
That's the thing.
But you know that, yeah. Highly obliged. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me pass in their presence. Yes.
Let it be staged just for tomorrow, Your Lordship.
My lord, let it
Please.
come up tomorrow.
That's
lord.
my humble submission, Your
Motion
Lordship.
tomorrow, no harm will
yes,
come.
Because he might take advantage.
No, my lord.
What advantage will take?
Highly obliged.